Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have Audi A4 Estate and we've just completed mechanically swiveling Towbar installation for this model. It's an original Audi Towbar, so I'm just going to demonstrate how it works. So as you can see, before I actually open, there's nothing visible because obviously it hides under the car, but now if I get into the boot, we'll have a little button installed here on the side, and if I press that button, the Towbar erects, it comes out, and as you can see, you can just need to help it with your hand to lock it into the position. There you go, you can hear this clink, and now it's ready to attach a trailer. The electrics are here, 13-pin electrics, and to hide it back underneath the car, what you need to do, you need to press the button again, and then it just releases the lock, and then you push it back all the way under the car, and that's how it sits. And this is how it looks underneath. And yeah, when you're not using it, you actually don't know that you have it. Brilliant kit. It's original Audi kit, installed to the factory specification with 3 years warranty. If you want more information, go to the links in the description or click to contact us, also in the description. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.